Alright, we just got these new out-of-sight audio Mark III radios in stock. It's new product carrying, so we're going to do an unbox video on the Mark III, which is their top-of-the-line product. So inside comes bubble wrapped with green terminal block, out-of-sight audio business cards, a wiring diagram and description, and the warranty card. So here's the actual product. It clearly displays all of the wiring information directly on it. It does have Bluetooth built in. You make all your connections to this terminal block. Then once that's done, insert the terminal block into the product. Power. Looks like on this side we got RCA inputs and outputs, both from the radio and then into the amp. So this is the out-of-sight audio Mark III. This is their top-of-the-line product. 4-channel input, 4-channel output using your factory radio. Also has Bluetooth built in, and then RCA inputs and outputs. This is perfect if you still have your stock radio in your dash, or if you have a newer vehicle, maybe a luxury car or exotic car, where you want to leave your original radio intact, but you want to either add an amp or you want to add Bluetooth, or you just want to improve the sound quality. This is a fantastic option, as it does have deck power or a built-in amplifier in this unit itself. Alright, thanks guys. Check us out, ClassicCarStereos.com.